Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, we are going to start the Filmora video editing series. So as you can see, I have opened the Filmora 11th version. You have to download the Filmora 11 and install it. So as you can see, I have opened so as you can see the new project option, and here you can see the recent projects. You guys can see the recent projects here. So we are going to click on the new project. After clicking on the new project, you will see, as you can see, the Filmora is open. So this is the Filmora 11th version. This is the interface of the Filmora 11. So we are going to discuss about some basic options. For example, here you have to import the media, which videos you want to edit. For example, I'm going to click on it. After clicking on it, I'm going to the download section, and I'm going to import some videos. So we have to select the videos. I have opened this video. After opening this video, as you can see, what we have to do, we have to take this video here. This one is known as the timeline. So this one is the timeline. So here's the option for the zoom in. If you want to zoom in, you have to click on this option. If you want to zoom out, you guys can zoom out as well. If you will click on this option, it will go to the fit screen. There your video will be fit in your screen. So in this way you can use that. And here's the option, if you want to forward the video, you guys can also use that. If you want to backward the video, you can also do that. So these are the basic option. Has the crop, that how you can crop the video, and has the cut if you want to make the cut between the video. And the shortcut key of this is Control B. You have to press this. So in this way you guys can use the Filmora. So these are the basic options of the Filmora. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the Filmora. These are the basic options. So from the next video we will, so I hope you guys understand these basic options. So from the next class we will start the video editing series. See you guys in the next video.